What do you say we open this box together? And from what we find in the inside, I'll show you how to make this beautiful card.
So, I got the Spellbinders card kit of the month for February 2019. This is my second month getting a kit from them, and I'm really liking their stuff. This is so pretty, and it's right up my alley. I've already opened it, but I will show you what it looks like when you get it. You get a whole bunch of beautiful ephemera. Oops. Just gorgeous. I'm going to use all of them as much as I'm going to try and use everything I can. And then you get a beautiful stamp set. Okay, there's that. And then this is so gorgeous. I want to bling out one card with all three of these. And then this is too cool. This is right up my alley. I make cards for people in recovery, sobriety. It's always a word of encouragement, the cards that I make. So this just fits in so perfect. You'll see what I mean when I show you what I put on the inside of my cards. Some beautiful paper, and it's single-sided, and everything's coordinated. Black and golds and reds and pinks, pretty much. Ballerinas. I used to dance in the Omaha Ballet. That's pretty. Swans, aha, now I get it, the ballet, Swan Lake, aha. I'm only an ex-dancer, and I didn't get that right off the bat. Ding! I love that Spellbinders provides a set of 10 base cards and envelopes, and these are nice quality cards. It's not just any cheap stuff either. Then this is too cute. Whoever does their shopping has got good taste. I want to know where they shop at. Isn't that the cutest thing? These little macaroons are so cute. And like I said, I can do anniversary or birthday cards. I can use all of these presents for those kind of cards. Beautiful is a encouragement card, little bows, and I have some of my own like this. I love these. Rather than tying a whole ribbon, you know, this is great little stick-on. So cool. And yeah, you're going to be working, so you're going to need some supplies. They give you double-sided tape and foam adhesives, you know, foam squares. They think of everything. I like this company. And a couple of tags. I never know what to do with tags. And then a bottle of sequins. Looks like only gold. Yeah, pure gold. Last month was a mixture of pink and whites. But I love the bottles they come in. And then you get paper. And you get a nice thick piece of gold. Double-sided mirror, I guess that's called. And then you get pink, salmon-y, another pink, some white, some blue, some black, and some green. All the colors that you need to cut out the swan. That is what the die kit I haven't even showed you yet. All right, so now here's the swan that you get. Oh, let me show you the card. So it came with this instruction card, and it tells you how many of what to cut out. I was trying to remember how I got started making cards. One of my friends has a sober living home for women here in Las Vegas. And I used to go over there once a month to do craft night with the girls that lived there, and they got credit. I think we made Christmas cards one year, handmade Christmas cards, and I had the idea to cut out Christmas trees, and I had never seen card making before. And I think I looked it up, and then I found a YouTube video about how to make a Father's Day card with a a tie that was part of the folding. And then don't forget we got the crown. It's gonna be so cute. I just bought these from Michael's. Okay, so she's got lavender. Actually, this will be prettier anyway than the pink. See? It always works out in the end. I wish I could find these again. That's pretty. So much for the dimension in my flowers. We're almost done. It only took me 3 hours to make one card. God, that's pretty. These are what I call inserts. So I need, first of all, to find one that's horizontal. Like there's one, but I don't like the font. It doesn't really go with it. That's pretty. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. I buy these bags by the hundreds. I use them to package all of my cards so that they stay nice and clean and protected. And then I put the envelope. So it's like that, but I put the envelope in that side and I make sure not to go past the fold here. And make sure that the flap is showing so that they can see that it includes an envelope. And then you tear that side off and you pull that over and fold it down. And voila, there you go. You have a very, very professional looking card.
Well, that's it for this video. I want to thank you so much for sticking all the way to the end. And if you liked this video, please subscribe and give me your thumbs up. And don't forget to tell me how much you love me in the comments. I'll see you later. Bye.